Alright, let's start with a question. Have you ever walked into a room and felt like you stepped into a different universe? That's exactly what Gamine Network's style session at Augusta 20 seems to offer. Now, if you're picturing a typical fashion photo shoot, stop right there. This isn't about runway trends or influencer posing. This is something weirder, more intimate, and honestly, kind of fascinating if you dig into what it represents. Augusta 20 isn't just a venue, it's a vibe. Located in Greenville, South Carolina, this space feels like a cross between an industrial loft and a secret society meeting hall. Exposed brick, moody lighting, the kind of place where you half expect a jazz band to start playing even if it's a Tuesday. Hosting a style session here isn't random, it's a deliberate choice to blur the lines between fashion, art, and raw human connection. But here's the thing, why do we even care about these events? Because they are not just about clothes. They are about creating moments that stick. Let's unpack the style session concept. Unlike traditional photo shoots, these sessions are supposedly unstructured, authentic buzzwords we've all heard before. But what does that really mean? From what I've gathered, it's less about dictating trends and more about capturing energy. Think of it as a party where everyone's dressed as their most confident self, and a camera just happens to be rolling. But wait, isn't that just a fancy way of saying curated chaos? Personally, I think there's something deeper here. It's about reclaiming personal style as a form of storytelling, not branding. But does that hold up in 2024? What many people don't realize is that spaces like Augusta 20 are quietly reshaping how we interact with fashion. Social media has turned everyone into a critic and a content creator. So when a group gathers for a style session, they are not just modeling, they are performing identity. A detail I find fascinating. The lack of overt promotion around events like this. No flashy hashtags, no influencer lineups. It's almost like they are rejecting the algorithm. Or maybe they are playing a smarter game, betting that exclusivity will get shared organically. This raises a bigger question. Are we seeing the rise of microculture events? Small, location-driven moments that thrive offline, but ripple outward online. Augusta 20's session feels like part of that trend. It's not about reaching millions, it's about resonating deeply with a few hundred. And if you take a step back, that's kind of radical in an era obsessed with virality. What if the future of fashion isn't glossy campaigns, but gritty, hyperlocal moments that feel real because they are real? So here's my challenge to you, next time you see an event like this, don't just scroll past it. Ask yourself, what's the unspoken story here? Because the most interesting trends aren't sold to us by brands. They are built in rooms like Augusta 20, by people who just want to feel seen. And isn't that what style's always been about? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do these sessions matter, or are they just another flash in the pan?